Hi, my name is Grant Hulbert, and I'm a senior Java developer here at ServiceNow. I'm going to explain how to set email notification priority with wait. And hopefully this will also answer questions you might have about why users may receive duplicate email notification messages and why notifications conversely sometimes appear in the skipped mailbox. ServiceNow can notify selected users automatically by email of specific activities in the system. For example, when a record is inserted or updated, or when a particular event is triggered. These notifications are handled by the SMTP sender scheduled job, which is set in the base system to run every minute. If multiple notification triggering events were to occur on a table during that interval, and users were set up to receive a notification for each triggering event, the result could be an overwhelming onslaught of email messages. So, each notification is assigned a wait, a numeric value representing the sending priority of the notification in relation to other notifications on the same table. Let's take a look at an example using the incident table. If we go to System Policy Email Notifications and search for the incident table, we get a list of all email notifications set up on this table. By personalizing the list, we can display the weights. Notice that some are 0 and the rest are unique non-zero values. When an event triggers a notification whose weight is 0, ServiceNow always sends an email message if the notification's conditions are met. But when there are multiple non-zero notifications in the outbox from the same table and addressed to the same recipient, the system sends only the notification with the highest weight. All other notifications are moved from the outbox to the skipped mailbox. We'll look at that in a moment. The ServiceNow base system provides notifications for certain events, with default weights appropriate for most needs. The default value of 0 is assigned to all new notifications. But you can change that here. We won't create a new email notification right now. The ServiceNow Wiki explains how to do that. The easiest way to change notification weights is directly in the list. This allows you to see all the other weight values when making changes. Just double-click the weight you want to change. Then enter a new weight and click the Save icon. Now let's look at how you can check which email notifications were sent and which were skipped based on their weights. The System Mailboxes Outbound Skipped table lists skipped email notifications. If we remove the Created on Today filter, we see several ignored messages from January 22nd. We'll pick one of these to investigate which weighted message was sent for this incident during the same time period as the skipped message. Opening this message, which was created at 13:55 and 29 seconds for recipient Fred Luddy regarding incident 10,002, we see that its weight is 30. So we would expect to find a message in the System Mailboxes Outbound Sent folder for the same incident and recipient generated during the same time period with a higher weight. And here it is, a message created on the same date and time for the same recipient and incident. Let's open it to check its weight. The weight of 50 explains why this message was sent and the one with the weight of 30 was skipped. So by design, ServiceNow controls email notification priority with weight. This is particularly important when you create custom notifications, because new notifications have a weight of 0 by default, which could generate a lot of unnecessary messages. So to prevent that, make sure you set email notification weights for custom notifications. And as you've seen, you'll also want to check weights when users don't receive expected notifications, and when you find those messages in the skipped folder, or when users receive too many notifications on a particular table. Well, that covers setting email notification priority with weight. If you have additional questions, please visit our wiki or knowledge base or ask a question in our ServiceNow community.